Hey there, marketing enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the ultimate inbound marketing guide for 2024. Do you know what the biggest trend in marketing is for this year? Stick around to find out. Inbound marketing is the name of the game in the digital age. It's all about attracting and engaging with your audience in a way that feels natural and organic. Let's explore why it's crucial for businesses today. Now, let's talk about the challenges businesses face in reaching their target audience. With the ever-evolving marketing landscape, it can be tough to stand out and connect with potential customers. But fear not, inbound marketing is here to save the day. So, what are the key strategies and tools involved in inbound marketing? Think content creation, search engine optimization, social media, all working together to draw people to your brand. It's about creating valuable experiences for your audience. Now, here comes the exciting part. The most effective inbound marketing tactics for 2024. These strategies can truly revolutionize your online presence and take your business to the next level. Get ready to supercharge your marketing efforts. In summary, implementing inbound marketing strategies can bring a host of benefits to your business. It's all about adapting to the ever-changing digital marketing environment and staying ahead of the curve. Are you ready to take the plunge? Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips and share your thoughts on your favorite inbound marketing tactics for 2024. Let's keep the conversation going and learn from each other. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.